guys and dolls. Thanks for picking this video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to view more well-researched content. Have a great one! In this vlog, we will discuss Taormina and its beautiful surroundings. To have seen Italy without having seen Sicily is not to have seen Italy at all, for Sicily is the clue to everything. So wrote Johann Wolfgang von Goethe after visiting the island in 1787. When his musings were published as part of Italian journey, many flocked to the island of Sicily. Buoyed by his descriptions of his enchanting beauty, over 200 years on, we reimagine the German writer's Sicilian adventure. Sicily is the largest island in the Mediterranean. It's the stepping stone between Europe and Africa, and it's been conquered and occupied by every major nation in Europe, by the Greeks, by the Romans, Normans, and the Spanish, just to name a few. Somehow, it has an identity of its own. This island's history is about 3,000 years long, and there's obviously not enough time to talk about all that now. Towns stand perched on higher cliffs to the right. Down below lies the town. Straight ahead, one sees the long ridge of Etna. To the left, the coastline as far as Catania or even Syracuse, and the whole panorama is capped by the huge fuming Fiere mountain. The Greek Theater of Taormina is the most fascinating historical monument of the Pearl of the Ionian Sea. Many have suggested that the views from the Greek Theater in Taormina are among the most striking on earth. Certainly no visit to Taormina would be complete without climbing the cliffs and seeing them for yourself. But in this vlog, we are going to take you around some of the main interesting points of Taormina. Savor the short walk up to the ancient amphitheater and prepare for what Goethe described as a stupendous work of art and nature. No audience in any other theater ever beheld such a view. Greek architects used to build their most important buildings as if nature could be part of them. So the natural scenery was integrated with the architecture of the theater. As the light and air could come through the columns, even the natural scenery were integrated to the theater architecture. Indeed, the Greek Amphitheater in Taormina is testament to this. The theater shape could allow at the same time Mount Etna, the gentle volcano. as known by the Sicilians. Savor some of the local specialities, such as pasta alla norma, pasta with aubergines, or cannoli Siciliani, a special local delicacy. Enjoying elegant Sicilian plates while Etna puffs away on the horizon is nothing short of divine. Corso Umberto, the main street of Taormina, is lined with facades, balconies and porticos that are ornate and quite lavishly embellished. Take some time to visit the churches in Taormina. There's San Giuseppe and San Pancrazio, St. Pancras, both built in the second half of the 16th century. The church is dedicated to Saint Joseph and is located next to the clock tower and faces out onto Piazza 9 Aprile. A double staircase with a balustrade of Syracuse stone leads up to the entrance. And don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe to our channel for more and captivating videos. Thanks. Taormina enraptures and captivates. When the time comes to leave, you'll no doubt think it's too soon. And don't worry, if you cannot go there in person, just view this vlog again. Thanks for watching.